The former Central Intelligence Organization CIO operative who served in Mugabe's office has been appointed Minister of State for Matabeleland South. Sanabina mashikubuda panapa nyukwachinzi aiwa former CIO boss aiwa a top government post panguva ine iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa matensions ema-e-fighting aiwa the intensify munyika yeZimbabwe. Not subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mwabuda nyukwachinzi Albert Nguluve, who is also the ZANU-PF legislator for Bridge East, takes over from Evelyn Lovo, who has been appointed Minister of Environment, Climate and Wildlife. The former spy, Chief Briefly, made headlines in November 2017 during the military operation that led to Mugabe's ouster. He was reportedly arrested near the former president's Blue Roof residence shortly after briefing him on the prevailing security situation. Witnesses say Nguluve had stopped after noticing army tanks heading towards Mugabe's home and queried the soldiers about their mission. He was seized by the troops, who confiscated his cell phone, watch, and gold chain before detaining and interrogating him. He was allegedly subjected to heavy assault as he was among those viewed as key to Mugabe's security and political network. Tiona kuti aiwa this former Central Intelligence Organization operative aiseva panguva yaRobert Mugabe aiwa its office aiwa upo governmental post. Chinhu chiri kuonekwa panguva ino aiwa nachiona mari assignments ari kuitwa vanhu panguva ino. People varinyatsa kuona kuti zvonyatsa kuratidza kuti the ZANU-PF is not in order. Ruling party yamuri kuona panguva ino iri kutonga panguva ino nyatsa kuratidza kuti aiwa the things they are not proper, they are not in order, they are not in a way they are supposed to be. Nyatsa kuratidza kuti pane mapower struggles and tensions ari kuitika. Mbodzi mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pene comment section medu musana subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.